Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Okay, so today, ma'am is going to teach you the alphabet sounds. So, everyone knows there are 26 alphabets. How many letters? 26 English alphabet. Okay, in that we have 5 short vowels. In that, how many vowels? 5 short vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, and U. So now, for today's class, we will start with sounds. Okay, so with this, how to begin with this 2-letter words? See, in this A sound words, we have A, T, A, D, A, P, A, G. Listen, children, we are going to make the sound and we are going to blend it. So, we are going to read now this A, T, A, T, A, T, at, A, T, at. A, D. How to pronounce? A, apple, A, apple, A, D, 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 dad, D, D, dad, add, add, add. Next, A, P. Listen. A, P. A, P, A, P, A, P, app, app, app. Next, A, G. A, G, A, G, A, G, ag, ag. Okay, so the next one, A, M, A, M, A, M, A, M, am, am, am. Next, A, N, A, N, A, N, A, N, A, N, an. So, we have 6 2-letter A sound words. What are they? At, add, app, ag, am, an. Very good. So now, listen, we are going to blend these 2-letter words with one consonant. See how we connect this. Okay, the first picture, we have B and AG. See, listen. B and ag. What is AG? Ag. Ag. What is the sound for B? B. 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 Bag, bag. Very good. Then next comes app, app, app. So the C letter C sound? Cap, cap, cap. Next A-T, at, 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 cat, cat, cat. Next, ad, ad, add, dad, dad. Next, fan. An is an. So F sound, fan, fan. J, j, jam, jam, jam. Next, pan, pan. An, pan. Next one, rat, rat, rat. Okay, so next come, see here we have few words, okay, which we have to read aloud. At, at. What consonant is there? B. Bat, fat, mat, rat, tat. Next comes ad, add, bad, add, bad, add, add, fad, lad, lad, sad, sad, dad, dad. Next comes ap, cap, cap, cap. Lap, lap. Nap, nap. Sap, sap, sap. Next, yap, yap. Ag, bag, bag. Mag, mag. Sag, sag. Gag, gag. Rag, rag. See here, we have few sentences where we have to read this new words. The, T-H-E, the. It, is, on, is, on. So now comes the fat cat. Pat as a cat. The cat is fat. The fat cat sat. It sat on a mat. It sat on a hat. It sat on a rat. Sat, sat, sat. So now listen. Please tell me the answer. Pat as a... Which one is the correct answer? The second line. Yes. Cat. Pat as a cat. Pat as a cat. The cat is... See here, which one? Third sentence. The cat is fat. The cat is fat. Is that okay, children? So today we are seeing a sound words. What we studied? We have seen at, add, app, app, ag, am, an. Is that okay? Fine, children? Okay. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, children.